What's going on everyone and welcome to the channel. For the month of December I'm going to be posting a wide range of different Christmas inspired recipes, starting off with a delicious quick and easy cranberry sauce which is perfect to serve alongside your Christmas dinner. Please sit back, relax and enjoy. Alright guys, let's start this off by placing 400 grams or 14.1 ounces of fresh or frozen cranberries into a large saucepan and keep aside 100 grams or 3.5 ounces which we will add later on in the recipe. To this, add in 1 cup or 200 grams of white granulated sugar, which is obviously for sweetness, but it's also going to help this reduce into a jam-like consistency, half a cup or 120 milliliters of water to thin this down so it's not too thick, the zest of half an orange for an amazing floral citrusy flavour, the juice of half an orange, which will not only add flavour and sweetness, but it will also cut down the bitterness of the cranberries, and the zest of 1 whole lemon for more citrusy floral notes. Now for the optional ingredients, add in 1 whole cinnamon stick for a sweet and woody flavour, 3 whole cloves for a warm, strong and pungent aroma and flavour, 1 star anise for a sweet and licorice-like flavour, 3 green cardamom pods for a complex, citrusy, minty, spicy and herbal flavour, and last but not least, half a teaspoon or 2.5 grams of sea salt flakes that will melt away and literally make you salivate with every bite. We can now make our way over to our stovetop and place this onto the largest burner over a medium-high heat and mix this around frequently for those flavours to become friends just until the sugar is melted and the water is boiling. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium and allow this to simmer away for 8 minutes, stirring it frequently, and during this time the cranberries will start to break down, releasing their natural sugars which will then work with the sugar and water to reduce down into a syrup-like consistency. Also with the berries breaking down, it will really enhance the flavour of our sauce. So this has now been 8 minutes and you can see that the sauce has reduced and thickened down into a syrup-like consistency, as well as the berries being extremely soft. What we can do now is carefully press the berries against the side or bottom of our saucepan to fully burst them, which will release their flavour and also give our sauce a beautiful smooth but rustic texture. And we don't have to be too precise during this step, but it does add a nice little touch. Anyway, once that's done, give the sauce a quick mix to incorporate the additional flavour from the burst berries, and we can then add in those reserved cranberries which we left aside earlier, which will then create an amazing texture and also give us a little burst of flavour throughout our sauce. For this step, turn the heat down to low and mix the berries around for 1 minute just to make sure that they're defrosted if you're using frozen, and to allow them to join in the flavour friendship. After that final minute, we can then turn this off the heat, remove it from the stovetop and place this onto a heat resistant surface, allowing it to cool down for 10 minutes before we can then add it into some extremely clean jars or containers. It's then a good idea to ensure we push it down nice and tight to burst any air bubbles, which will then prolong the shelf life, and we can then seal it with a lid, making sure no air can sneak its way in, and allow this to cool down completely before placing it in the fridge, or if you really can't wait, use it straight away. And that's it, a quick and easy cranberry sauce that's perfect for turkey, chicken, ham, even beef, and a wide range of different vegetables. This recipe right here makes 2.5 cups worth and can easily be halved, doubled, tripled and so on. And to store it, we can place it in an airtight container or a glass jar and store it in the fridge for up to 6 weeks, which makes it not only perfect for Christmas, but really any time of the year. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to see hundreds of more fantastic recipes. Merry Christmas everyone, stay safe and enjoy.